go. So hi, the one I'm holding is 8 inches long. 8 inches long. For the area side is gonna be about 3 by 4 inches. Is about, not exact. One of our customer asking, this one doesn't. Does this one has a band? Yes, it has a ear band. As you guys can see, this is the ear band. I know this is only 8 inches, so the hair is not much longer than the bands, but like you can still see it has a dig in. So this is the band. I'm gonna show you guys when I put this on a model. Okay. See, this is the band. If you think this band is not wide enough, we made it pretty narrow so it can fix for everyone. Otherwise, if it's too wide, it's not gonna work for someone. If it's too narrow, so you can just fix it, make it more wide. So cut some extra off. So yeah, it does has bands, guys. This is how the lens, how it looks, and this is how the band looks as well.